Does Iman, faith, fluctuate? The answer is most certainly it does. Most certainly it does. The Quran says there are two verses that I'm going to mention. One is in Surah Al-Anfal. The Quran says about believers, about believers, إِذَا تُلِيَتْ عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُهُ, when the verses of the Quran are recited before them, زَادَتْهُمْ إِيمَانًا, their faith increases. Wow. How? The Quran is recited. I mean, I can tell you the Quran is the store, where Iman is completely filled. It's full of faith, and it distributes faith. Faith emerges from it. The light is there. The more you read, the more you get faith. It's a completely separate discussion. But the Quran says when the Quran is recited before the believers, their faith increases. If you look at it from another angle, from a negative angle, there is a verse in Surah Al Imran. In Surah Al Imran, in the second part of the Surah, it's all about a battle of Uhud. So it's I keep saying that Surah Al Imran in the second half is actually helping us understand and study through case study method. There is a case, the case of the Battle of Uhud. And the Almighty points out some of the things that happened and helped us to understand what should be the right approach. So there was a time when there were some, call them weak believers, the so-called Muslims, maybe some of them were hypocrites. They said when they were question asked, why did you not participate in the battle? What was wrong with you? So they said, if we knew that the battle is going on, we would have joined. We didn't come up. We didn't come to learn about it. So obviously they were lying. And the Almighty has commented on this statement of theirs. When they lied and cheated, the Quran says, Hum lil kufri yawma izin minhum aqrabu lil iman. On that day, they were closer to kufr than they were to iman. So what you understand from this verse is apparently that kufr is one extreme and iman is the other extreme. The best iman, the ideal iman of a continuum. People are moving to and fro, closer to kufr, closer to iman. How? Through their behavior. You tell a lie, you cheat, you go towards kufr. You start doing things good, you move towards iman. So the two are very strongly, closely attached to each other.